Guys, to effectively run your Amazon business, there are a couple of things you need to focus on. One is the vision of your business. Where are you going? Number two is the processes, being efficient with your processes. And number three is being very effective with your communication to the experts that are working on your business, whether you hire them from Upwork or VAs, etc. So when you're looking at all these things around your business, what are some key software tools that you can use to absolutely be effective with growing your Amazon business? Here are my 5 key tips around what software and what tools I use on my own business to really make sure that I can absolutely grow it and be a rock star with that Amazon business. Number 1, the Calm app. We're all busy in our day-to-day business, so being able to take a few minutes to meditate, to relax is really important in my day-to-day activities, and using it a little bit for white noise when I really want to focus on a specific task, it absolutely works really well. So check it out, Calm, C-A-L-M, the Calm app. Number 2, Trello. Trello is a really good project management software where you can create a board where you put in a specific project with all the tasks that you absolutely need to do to make sure that you can nail that task and get it done in that project. You can also invite others who are working on your business to look at that Trello board, and so you can follow along and just make sure your project is moving forward and gets done in a timely manner. And number 3, Calendly. If you haven't used Calendly, it's a really effective way to get people to book meetings on your calendar that you can send out a link and it all syncs up to your current calendar. So check it out, Calendly. It really works well. And if you have meetings with different experts or different people, they can all check when you have a slot and just book it in immediately. All right, this is one of my favorite, guys. It's called Loom. It's a Chrome extension and it will record yourself and your screen. And it's an excellent way to give feedback to people who are working on your business. So for example, if you've got someone who's working on your listing for you, or if you've got a designer who is designing your product, you can simply look at their renders or look at the listing, record your screen, give them feedback, and in a second you can give them a URL and they can absolutely watch that feedback there really simply and get back to you. Number 4, similar to Loom, but just in an audio recording, we have a tool called Voxer. It's an app on your phone. It works like a walkie-talkie, and it's a really good way to message someone on your team. You can message them, leave some feedback, and they can respond back to you. It's a really effective way to get back and forth communication, especially if you're in different time zones. Number 5, Adobe Fill and Sign. It's an app that you can download on your phone, and if you're getting contracts from your suppliers or invoices and you need to sign them, you can simply go on your app, you can sign it, you can PDF it and send it right back. You don't have to fax, scan, or anything like that. It simply does it directly on your phone. So that's a big time saver. So definitely download Adobe Fill and Sign. I use that one. Okay, so that's 5, but I have a couple of bonuses, and this is obviously around ZonGuru and how it can really help you manage your business. Number 6 is the Zonguru mobile app. It is absolutely free and it does some amazing stuff for you. 1, it tracks all your sales across marketplaces. So if you have sales in Amazon.uk or .com, it'll pull them all together into one nice dashboard. But the best thing about it is that you can set different notifications for different sales that you get. So for example, you can get cha-ching for every single sale you get. When you hit certain milestones, you can get a different sound. It's just a really cool, fun way to know when you're actually getting sales into your Amazon business. Okay, finally, number 7, Zonguru. It's an all-in-one tool set that you can use at every single phase of your business. We focus and we pride ourselves on giving you data at the right time so you can make the key decisions around your business to move it forward. And one of the tricks that I do is I save Zonguru to my home screen on my iPhone, so it basically appears as an app. It's mobile friendly, it's optimized for mobile, so you can do everything right there on your phone. You can check your business dashboard, you can check your product monitor, you can look at your sales history, you can look at competitors, your email automation, everything that's in there. You can absolutely check out keywords, etc. Just check it out right now, zonguru.com, and save that to your home screen, and you can access that anytime and manage your business right there from your phone. All right, guys, that's it for now. Those are my 7 key tips. If you have other ideas, feel free to put it in the comment. If you like content like this, definitely subscribe. We have a bunch out there, and hopefully it can add value to your Amazon business. All right, it's John from Zonguru. Cheers for now.